So this question is a diagram question. The specific type of diagram we have here obviously is a table. So why do I call it a diagram question? Well, anytime a question provides some visual input, I like to take my attention there first before reading the actual wording of the question. So the data here that I see is that the first column mentions or is titled value. So these are the values that I have. And the second column is data set A frequency. So this is the frequency of those values within data set A. And then I have the frequency of those same data values within data set B. So for instance, in data set B, I have 5 38s. I also have 5 38s in data set A. So I just want to make sure I understand how to read this table before I start to read the actual question. Now the question says data set A and data set B each consist of 27 values. The table shows the frequencies of the values for each data set. Which of the following statements best compares the means of the two data sets? Well, if I want to compare the means, I want to just calculate the means. So for instance, for data set A, I can calculate the mean by multiplying each of the values by their frequency, right? So there's 2 30s plus 4 34s plus 5 38s plus 7 42s plus 46 times 9. I divide all that by 27. I go to my calculator. I type it in, basically just as I just did. And what I am finding for the answer here is that the mean is equal to 40.52, basically. I can do the exact same thing for data set B. Right, so again, the setup is exactly the same. I have 9 30s, 7 34s, 5 38s, 4 42s, and 2 46s. And I'm dividing all that by 27. Go back to my calculator. And what I get there is that the mean is equal to 35.48. So obviously the mean of data set A is larger than the mean of data set B. So the answer choices here says the mean of data set A is greater than the mean of data set B. Choice A, that is absolutely correct.